The temperature of two bodies A and B are 727 and 327 degrees Celsius. The temperature of A is given as nothing but 727, so we can add with 273 to convert it into Kelvin scale. So I'll get the answer as nothing but 1000 Kelvin, and the temperature of B is given as nothing but 327 degrees Celsius. If we are adding with 273, we can convert it into Kelvin scale. So I'll get the answer is equal to nothing but 600 Kelvin. The ratio of HA by HB for rate of heat radiation by them will be, so we can say that heat energy radiated or power radiated will be equal to E sigma A, temperature of object raised to 4. So the value of PA divided by PB can be written as nothing but TA divided by TB raised to 4. So TA is given as nothing but 1000, TB is given as nothing but 600 raised to 4. Or you can write this is equal to nothing but 10 divided by 6 raised to 4, 5 divided by 3 raised to 4. So you can write 5 raised to 4 is nothing but 625 and 3 raised to 4 is nothing but 81.